Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Sign into your Now GG account and confirm subscription or 2FA is not blocking access. Next, test your connection. Use a wired or 4G/5G link at least 50 Mbps and disable any VPN or proxy because routing causes NG 3401. Once done, update the browser or the Now GG app to the latest build and clear cache and cookies. This eliminates client-side mismatches that commonly trigger the error and prepares you for the next troubleshooting phase. You now diagnose the middle layer, run a traceroute to Now GG and look for packet loss or hops over 120 milliseconds because high latency breaks session initialization. Then flush DNS and renew your IP. If possible, test from a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues. Meanwhile, open the browser console, reproduce the error, and inspect 4XX or 5XX responses and any NG 3401 headers. These steps reveal whether the problem is DNS, routing, or session auth, so you know. You finish by applying targeted fixes. Reset the router and set static DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8. Then retry the Now GG session. This often resolves DNS or caching causes. If the console showed auth token failures, sign out everywhere, reissue tokens or passwords, and re-log in to regenerate sessions. Once done, verify gameplay loads. If NG 3401 persists, one key troubleshooting tip: gather traceroute, console logs, timestamps, and account ID before contacting support. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.